guys, we're running another call here today in Weston, Florida. As you can see, there's beautiful neighborhood. You can say we could go from old homes, rundown homes. Regardless, we do the same quality of work. We're here on another existing friends and family customer. This neighborhood, AC down. So we're here to take care of this one right now. Beautiful neighborhood. Performing a real maintenance here, trying to get all this algae out of this coil and this drain pan. As you can see here. Here. This little tool here created to get inside the coils where the vacuum can't reach. As you can see, created this little tool, fits right on the vacuum, and then skinny holes here so we can get in there deep in the coil tracks.